This is a 1984 15-foot Glastream Bass Boat with a 115 horse Yamaha motor. Has a 70-pound thrust, 24-volt MinnKota Maxxum trolling motor. And there's a Lowrance Elite 5X chirp fish finder on it. There's a battery back here, extension cord. This is about a 22-gallon gas tank. Has an oil reservoir over there, so it's inline. This is the live well. It needs to be cleaned. It works, of course. Key ignition. Gauges, but none of these gauges work properly. I have not had the time to fix that. It does have two 20-pound anchors in it. There's storage in this one. There's a battery in there. This one also holds a battery in this one, so I'm gonna have to clean it up. This right here used to be a live well, but I used it as storage. This is also storage. Put the cord to hold your fishing poles in. Foot pedal. Has the plug for the boat. From the boat to the truck. Trailer hitch. Has another storage here. Got a couple of life vest seats in there. Still runs. The only issue with this is that the trim is falling off in the front. That's fixable. Oh yeah, and then you can see that latch is coming off. All you really gotta do is just screw it back on tighter. Everything else looks good underneath here. And you can see selling this boat for $3,500 cash only. No trades. Has a stainless steel prop. Dent here, so I gotta fix this dent. There's a traveling saver. Switch up and down right here. Once again, this is a 1984 15-foot Glastream Bass Boat, $3,500. Below will be my phone number. Please give me a text. Send me a text if you want some more information on the boat or you want to come see it start. Just text me. Have a good day.